This video is brought to you by videogcse.com. Question 4. Alan bought 20 melons for £15. 1/5 of the melons were bad, so he threw them away. He sold the remaining melons for £1.50 each. Work out Alan's profit. Okay, so there are a few different things that you need to do here. Let's see. This is worth a total of 4 marks, we can see. So they're looking for, looks like 4 different things. Okay, let's do the first thing they ask for. So 1/5 of the melons were bad. Okay, so Alan bought 20 melons. 1/5 of 20 melons were bad, so he threw them away. Okay, he sold the remaining melons for £1.50 each. Okay, first I think we need to find out what 1/5 of 20 melons is, 1/5 of 20, and then subtract that number from 20 because he threw those away. Okay, 1/5 of 20, we find that out by doing 1/5 times 20, which equals 20 divided by 5. 1 times 20 equals 20. 5 times 1 equals 1. So 20 over 5, 20 divided by 5, which equals 5, 10, 15, 20, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1/5 of 20 is 4. Alan threw 1/5 away, so he threw 4 away from 20. So 20 minus 4. So he was left with 16 melons. And he sold the remaining melons, so he sold those 16 melons for £1.50 each. Work out Alan's profit. Okay, well, 16 times, we just do 16 times £1.50. Well, 16 times £1 equals £16, and 16 times 50p is £8. 0.5 equals £8, and 16 plus 8, that's just the 8 times table. 8, 16, 24. Okay, so now we need to work out Alan's profit. Okay, so the final answer is not £24. That's how much money he took in. However, Alan bought 20 melons for £15. Okay, so we do, he took in £24. However, he spent £15 initially. So £24 minus 15 to get his profit. Amount of money he took in minus the cost. 24 minus 15 is 9. So his profit is £9. And let's check the mark scheme to see if that's correct. If it is, we'll get 4 marks. It is. Here we are. Question 4 down the bottom. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 20 minus 4 equals 16. 16 times 1.5 equals 24, and that's exactly what we did. And then we subtracted. Interestingly, I don't have 24 minus 15, which I assume they would, to get this 9. Okay, if you got 9, give yourself 4 marks. If you wrote down 20 divided by 5, which I did here, give yourself 1 mark. Give yourself 1 mark if you wrote down 20 minus 4, or whatever you wrote down as your 4. However, that has, maybe you did 1/5 of 20 equals 5. If you did something like that, or 1/20th, 1/5 of 20 is 3. If you didn't get 4, but then you took that answer away from 20, if you realize that you had to do that, then give yourself 1 mark. However, your number had to be greater than 0 and less than 20. Give yourself 1 mark if you wrote down your 16 times 1.5 and your 16 had to be greater than 0 and less than 20. Okay, yep. If you, yeah, I recommend you look at another video on this same topic from a different year in order to practice. Thank you very much for watching this video, courtesy of videogcsc.com.